Baby Kazuichi crying sound effect? Fuck no. More like Baby Kazuichi laughing sound effect. Oh my goodness. This sound is worse than Baby Kid crying sound effect. It's a high-pitched version of Baby Kid crying sound effect. I hope this sound effect gets banned. Do you know who likes that stupid sound effect? Kazuichi Jr. He watches the baby crying sound effect every day, but he can't because he's still grounded. Do you know who hates this sound? Everyone in the world. They hate it a lot. Fuck Baby Kazuichi crying sound effect. And fuck Gundam Tanaka having a cold. You've Get Grounded and Sprunky are so much better than Baby Kazuichi crying sound effect. End of rant.